This video is sponsored by Redinger Technologies. Bear in my fishing hole part 2. Actually, this is one of the places we do really fish a lot here on the Russian River. Oh, itch your head. Oh, I got an itch. Well, go. Oh yeah. Now both bears are trying to scare away the seagulls. Ah, okay, go away. The fish are all like in here that we're trying to catch. There's a bunch of dead fish over there. What? Oh, now they're fighting. Oh, there we go. Dad, look. They're wrestling. Oh yeah, there's a snag over there. Oh yeah. Mom, are you getting photos? Go away. I don't want you seagulls here. Oh. He's found a post. Oh yeah. Get it. This is the best video I probably will ever have of a bear like this.
Bears play tag. Bears play tag.
Well, the fish are right here. I've just been doing the same thing while filming. Oh, I caught the tree above me. I'll get it out. Sit on this. Oh, there you are. Oh, oh yeah, tear it down. So much for their work.
I could go right through here. Right. The bears have escaped.
So much for the conservation effort. I just get it, whatever you're getting, yeah, do it, yeah. Wow. Okay.
We're ready tonight.
Right there.
Come on, Phil.
Oh, he's gone. Well, you really got up there, buddy, didn't you?
Yeah.
Mom, are you snapping pictures of him up there? Coming down.
Man, that's cool.
Go back up.
Yeah.
Bryson, let's back up.
Yeah.
Yeah.